More top tips, some more top trader tips for you. So if you're on a job and you're in bathroom or kitchen or wherever, and something goes wrong, a pipe bursts, a tile cracks, whatever, don't let out a scream or shout or swear. Just give it a one of them, because it sounds more professional. It sounds like a complex structural anomaly that you've got to deal with, so you can at least add 50 quid to the final bill. Tip number 2, if you're sticking tiles up on wall and one falls off, don't blame your mix, your adhesive. Just look customer dead in eye and tell them, yep, that's it. Gravity's a bit stronger in this part of Yorkshire. Standard adhesive didn't have a chance. Because that way, it's funny, it's entertaining. So you're entertaining customer at the same time. You're a one-man show. Do you know what I mean? But if your tile does fall off, you've done something wrong. Just as a note. Tip number 3. Your spirit level is not just a spirit level. It's a multi-purpose tool. It's not just for checking things are level. You can always use it as a defensive weapon for Sparky or Apprentice if they keep trying to nick your tape measure or your tools. It's a good defensive weapon. But I like to use it as well as an extension of my arm. So when customers, when you're talking to a customer, use it as an extension of your arm to point at ceiling. It's like, there's your problem there. Perfect extension of your arm is a spirit level. Start using these tools for other things. Do you know what I mean? Tip number 4. If you're plumbing in a toilet and it's got a bit of a wobble on it, don't make out as though you've done it wrong. If customers do, tell customer you've put it on an ergonomic lean, and you've put it on an ergonomic lean to go with natural curvature of the bathroom. They'll think you're a genius. Tip number 5. Never start work 20 minutes after a brew. Because your brew's got to be properly digested, and that biscuit's got to be accounted for as well. It's bad luck. It's bad luck to start work straight after a brew. You've got to give it a minute. And if customer offers you an Earl Grey or an herbal tea, drop your spanner and walk off. It's an hostile work environment. You don't want to be there.